If you're experiencing error 2025 with your Nintendo Switch cloud saves, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and test your connection to confirm it is working properly. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Restart the console. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select Power Options, and then choose Restart. Step 4. Verify Nintendo account. Check that your Nintendo account is linked correctly to your Switch. Go to System Settings, select Users, and then your user profile to ensure your account is properly set up for cloud saves. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the error persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Nintendo support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and solutions tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to address the cloud save error. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Nintendo's support team.